Hi, I'm Peter Buckingham from Spectrum Analysis, and I'd like to talk to you about territory planning for B2B businesses. Now, B2B businesses is when you're offering a professional service to other professional type services. So typically, the clients we work with in this area would be ones that may have bookkeeping franchises, they may be to do with the printing type of businesses. One is a drone company for commercial use of drones. And what they want to know when they set up their territories is how many businesses and type of businesses there are so we can make their territories of similar potential. Now, the Australian Bureau of Statistics provide us data every year talking about how big the businesses are in each area, and they classify them using the Australia-New Zealand Standard Industry Classification, or the ANZSIC ratings. And they give us, by any area, how many businesses are non-employing, how many employ 1 to 4, how many employ 5 to 19, how many employ 20 to 200, and how many are over 200. And then they classify them with the ANZSIC categories into these categories over here, which show us manufacturing, transport, different types of classifications. So when we do a B2B project, we ask the client firstly, who is the client? Who is their client? And how can we classify them best in the ANZSIC categories? And we just like to rank them as 10 being the types of client most likely, or types of classification most likely to be your client, down to anything down to 0 being some classification that may never use your service. Once we have that, we're now able to look at each area and start to rank them in terms of how many businesses and create a thing we call unit of demand. In other words, how much opportunity comes out of each area. And we can do this as postcodes. We could actually do it at suburbs if we need to. The beauty is if we do it at postcodes, we have 2,590 postcodes roughly across Australia, and then we can bring them together to make each territory of similar opportunity. B2B territory planning is extremely important if you are running that type of business. Doing the old black text to colour on the map and coming up with an area is incredibly inconsistent. And what we're all about is helping you do proper territory planning so that your franchisees in the future can feel confident that they have an area of reasonable opportunity and hopefully similar opportunity to all the other franchisees in your area. Anyway, this is Peter Buckingham. Please look us up at spectrumanalysis.com.au and follow us. Thank you very much.